Okay, here now with the George Ratermann. He is the CEO, owner, and janitor of Ratermann Manufacturing and Ratermann Cryogenics. How's it going today, George?
Oh my gosh, pretty darn good. It's a beautiful day.
What's the theme out here today? I know you guys always do a great job with the theme.
You know, our theme is service, customer service. So we have the white glove service. You know, we exist on this earth to take care of our customers, so we're all about service.
Very good. And when you talk about your customers, especially these ones here at GAWDA, what are some of the typical things that they would buy from you?
Well, you know, the nice thing for our product line, we have a 1,380-page catalog. We have 80,000 part numbers. So there's a lot of things they can buy from us. Everything. Some people see us for like signs and cylinder labels. Some people see us for hoses, cryogenic tanks, microbulk tanks, all the way down to all the fittings and parts, repair parts, installation. So pretty much everything from the back end of filling bottles all the way to the front end where they're being distributed to customers.
Okay. And of all the things, you know, you guys have done a lot of advertising out there in the market. You guys do a great job with branding. But what would you say is one thing that some of the people in the room might not know about you guys?
Well, there's probably a couple of things they don't know about us, but one of the most important ones I think recently is we have a solution center. It's the Ratermann Solution Center. It's pretty exciting a facility. It's a very cognitive facility. When you walk through, it's about thinking and about how you see things. I kind of look at it like train tracks, and when you go down a train track, that's kind of what you see. And this has many spurs of that, and it's a really kind of a fun place for people to look and think and all. So I think that's something a lot of people aren't aware of.
All right, awesome. And all right, aside from all the products that you carry, talk about the value that you bring from Ratermann's standpoint, not just about the products, but the value.
Yeah, well, I think we have 3 claims. And our 3 claims are reliable people, reliable service, and reliable delivery. So, you know, when you look at some of those kind of things, you think, how can you have reliable delivery when it's UPS truck or an LTL trucking? You don't have control over them. But we came up with ways to have a bigger influence in how things get to customers and making sure that they get there on time, they don't get damaged in between there. Because at the end of the day, they need their product for installation or repair work. So I think that those are our 3 main focuses we have. Having reliable people makes all the difference. We're really fortunate having outstanding folks. And when we really look at things, we don't just sell a product. We're kind of looking at, I use the analogy like when you have a thread and needle, we help what is the right way to thread the needle, and the other part is it what's the right thread to use, what's the right stitch to use. We look at that whole concept when we're selling a product versus like, hey, here's a book, what do you want to buy?
Right. Awesome. All right, so we're in Philadelphia now. Some of the distributors weren't able to make it. You got some stuff at the booth here. If they were here, what would you want to show them?
Well, I'll tell you what, our Houston facility, you can walk over here. In our Houston facility, it's a pretty significant inventory we carry. All types of regulators. We have some brand new type of regulators out to resolve a lot of issues people have had on some of the cryogenic tanks. We have all kinds of cryogenic valves, vacuum jacket valves, really a whole smorgasbord of anything pretty much in the cryogenic arena. And you can see this is our cryogenic catalog. So we have 2 catalogs. This is the Ratermann cryogenic catalog, and it's 480 pages of all kinds of good information. We call it a reference catalog because it has a lot of information, has a lot of the details, with product lines like Generant. And then on our industrial side, we'll walk over here. There we go. Hi guys, how you doing? Give a wave. Hi, hey. So we come over here on the industrial side. You can see if we pan here, these are all the brands that we carry and all the different products on the industrial side, which are outstanding brands. You know, we really believe in the relationship with vendors where, you know, we're partners in the sense we're not really like they're selling to us, we're just buying from them. We really work together and even to the point of developing products together. So we got a great line of vendors. And then we have, you know, Sherwood's, we're a master distributor for Sherwood valves. So we have all Sherwood valves. One of our very first products we have are empty full ring tags. And we have a full printing division in Nashville, Tennessee. We print all the different labels for DOT, FDA, pretty much any type of label, machine equipment repair labels, dry ice labels, all kinds of good stuff. And then you can see here in our facility, some of the photos carry a very deep inventory of cryogenic tanks, as well as all the different ancillary parts and Sherwood, as well as, oh, here's like a shipping line here. So all day long, we're packing things, making sure they're gonna get to our customers in a really reliable way. And again, reliably Ratermann, that's what we do.
All right, absolutely. All right, so that's a good update from George. Hey, George, we really appreciate everything that you guys do at these events. You guys are always the life of the party. You always bring the entertainment, so I don't want to go without saying Thank you for everything that you do.
Oh, thank you. Well, I got to tell you, being part of the GAWDA organization, for us, being part of our GAWDA organization is just an outstanding organization. We're in many, many different groups, and I will tell you that the people here over every year, you bring up a great show and great value to everybody. So it's been wonderful working with everybody.
All right, there you have it. Thank you so much, George. Hope you have a nice rest of the show.
You bet.
All right.